Let's memorize the breath sounds in under 60 seconds. Guys, I made this so easy. Recall we have two normal patterns of breathing, vesicular and bronchial, and this is how you're going to differentiate them. For vesicular, it has longer inspiration period and shorter expiration. VE for shorter expiration, and VESI for longer inspiration. It also has reduced breath sounds, vesicular reduced. Now let's have a listen. Now for bronchial sounds, inspiration and expiration are both equal. So bronchial, both equal. They're also louder. Bronchial, louder. Let's have a listen. Now for our added sounds. We're going to start off with rails, aka crackles. And remember that rails affects the tails. Okay, it's like crumply paper sound. Let's have a listen. Next is bronchi, and know that these affect the bronchi. This is like a rumbly sound. Let's have a listen. For wheeze, think whistle. It's a musical sound. Let's have a listen.